Hey everybody, it's Mike from SUPCASE, and today I'm going to show you how to install the UB Neo onto the Samsung Galaxy Note9. So the UB Neo is a two-piece snap-on cover, which means what we're going to do is first separate the back casing from the front screen protector. And to do that, you'll see, like many of our dual layer cases, there's a little divot in the bottom right corner where you can stick a coin or your fingernail, or if you're like me, don't have fingernails, something from around the house. And all you have to do is get under that casing, pry it apart, and then just work your way around until you remove it completely. Now the first time it's going to seem kind of hard, but once you get a feel for it, it's a breeze after that. Now all you have to do is snap the screen protector onto your Note9. And once that's on there, just pop the whole thing into the polycarbonate back casing, bottom first, then the top, and then just work your way around until all the edges are sealed. Make sure your cameras and ports are aligned with the case, and that's it. Now you're good to go. Now if you ever drop your phone, the TPU wraparound bumper will absorb the shock, the built-in screen protector will prevent scratches and cracks, and the raised bezel will guard your display and lenses, giving your Note9 very reliable drop protection. Now to uninstall the case, same principle. Start with the divot on the bottom right corner, separate the back casing from the front, work your way around till it's completely separated, and the screen protector should just come right off. Hope that helps. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Again, this is Mike from SUPCASE. Thanks for watching.